Alright, so now we move to the fourth problem. The third problem, actually I want you to do it as homework. Do that, and what the diagram appears like, I'll be showing that to you. So the third diagram should appear like this. So I suggest you pause the video, solve the third problem, and then check whether your solution is matching with this, and then you can proceed to the fourth problem. So now let's go to the fourth problem. The fourth problem, it's slightly tricky. You got to be very careful, so please observe this very carefully. This is the plan for the fourth problem. Front elevation, side elevation, this is what is given to you. Now the front elevation is 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters, half centimeter this side, half centimeter on the other side, so total 5 centimeters. Now I'll try to draw this here. Okay, so I can choose any point here. I'll choose this because it's somewhere in between, so I'm also choosing here. So half, 1, 2, 3, 4, total 4.5, half, 1, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, and then little more somewhere exactly in the center. It becomes 5 centimeters. Now if you see the front elevation from here, he goes like this. Now what I'm actually drawing is wrong, and I want you to make this mistake. I mean, I'm doing a mistake purposefully so that you understand how how you can go wrong. Let's see. Now this moves to the this is a slanting line. So from here I'm drawing a slanting line, and then this height is 2 centimeter, this height is 2 centimeter, seems to be correct. And then from here I need to go like this by 4 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter, and then this and this has to be connected. So I connect this and this. Okay, now see here, when I do this, so let's come to the side elevation. So side elevation, this is 4.5 and this is 4. So from here I'll proceed to draw 4.5 centimeters. So when I try to draw this, I'm somewhere off the track. I'm not drawing my line on the dots. I'm drawing it somewhere else. So let's see what happens. 1, 2.5, half, 1, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, and then this is 4. Okay, and then after that, sorry, I need to go by 5 centimeters. So this is 4.5 and this is 5.5. Done. Now this top line is 4 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters. Now I just have to connect this and this. I'll connect this and this. Now so far the diagram appears to be correct, but now just observe carefully. What is the height of this? This is 2 centimeter front elevation. Front elevation height is 2 centimeter. Perfect. Side elevation height is 2 centimeter. This is the side elevation. See the height. How much is this? Is it 2 centimeters? 1, 2, and slightly more than 2. So somewhere we are going wrong with this diagram. So how do you correct this? Again, I'll start from the front elevation. This is total 5 centimeters. I'll choose one particular point here. Okay, so 5 centimeters I'll draw. Front elevation, the base I'm drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is done. Next, what do I do? So here in the front elevation, there's a slanting line. So I draw this slanting line like this. Like this. Okay, and then this is 4 centimeters. I'll draw a 4 centimeter line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then here there's a slanting line, but here I get a straight line. is this correct? We need to proceed with the diagram, then we'll understand whether I'm right or wrong. But this is correct because, now see here, let us consider this particular pen. Now the way I have held it, so I've held it exactly in front of the camera. You don't know whether I'm holding it slanted or I'm holding it straight. Okay, you don't know whether I'm holding it slanted or I'm holding it straight. Now it's actually slanted. Now I straighten it. Now I'm holding it exactly 90 degree to the ground level. Now I change the angle. It's not 90 degree to the ground level. So you can't really make out in two-dimensional whether it is slanted or straight when you're looking from the diagonal. See, when you're looking from here, see, you're standing here and looking at this corner, you don't know whether this corner is straight or slanted. So even if it is slanted, you see it as straight. You see it as straight. So here I am seeing it as straight. So therefore this is correct. And moreover, let us see here in this question, the height is 2 centimeters throughout. So in this front elevation, height is 2 centimeters throughout. So this is making sense. Now I go ahead to draw the side elevation. So the base is again 5 centimeters. It is half this side, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 in the center. So total 5 centimeters. So I'll draw 5 centimeter line here. Side elevation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter line completed. And then this line, so I'll complete that. Before that, I think it will be easy if I complete this, because where should I draw? Should I draw here or go like this? There's kind of confusion. So I will go ahead with drawing the top part. So this is 4 centimeter. From here I will draw 4 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, now I know I need to connect this and this. So use a scale and then connect this and this. So this is done. Now just see the diagram. See, the earlier one, the height I got was 1, 2 and something more, 2.5. Here see the height. Here it is 1, 2, exactly 2 centimeters. And let us see our problem, the question, it's 1, 2 centimeters. So side elevation height is 2 centimeters. I'm getting 2 centimeters. So this is right. Then I will move to the plan, and this is the plan. So this is the big square and this is the small square. So I'll go ahead to draw the small square first. So this and this is already done here, this and this. So I just have to complete this square. So 4 centimeter, this small square is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 centimeters. So go like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then connect this 1, 2, 3, 4. So now the diagram is complete. So now see here. So you're seeing somewhere from this corner the 3D object. So you don't really get to make out whether it is slanted or not. So it just appears straight. See, the pen is held like. See, the pen is held like this, or I tilt it like this. Okay, now you know that I'm tilting it. I'm saying that I'm tilting it, therefore you feel that it is tilted, but you actually can't make out whether it is held straight or it is tilted this way. So it still appears straight, this versus this. Okay, so that's what is happening here. Okay, so we see just a straight line here. We just see a straight line here. So the diagram is correct. The plan, so you're standing here, you get to see this small square, and then you also get to see this bigger square. So this side and this side is hidden from your top. In the 3-dimensional view, this and this is hidden, but when you're looking at the plan, so this the edge, this and this, all of them are appearing, so therefore this is the diagram. So the trick here in this is this particular line, it should just be drawn straight. You are not slanting it, because you are standing at this particular corner and looking at the diagram when it is three-dimensional view. Now I suggest that you solve this problem once again by yourself and see whether your solution is matching with this. So you start from here on one particular dot and then go like this by 5 centimeters, and that's how you get the solution.